Hello friends, for today's video, join me as we draw a parrot. Let's begin by drawing the shape of the parrot's beak. Next, the shape of its head. Then its eyes. Let's draw the shape of its wings. Parrots come in all the colors of the rainbow. From brilliant blues and vibrant yellows to fiery reds and lush greens, their feathers are like a beautiful painting in the sky. It has feathers on its wings. Then, the shape of its tummy. Next, its feet. Let's draw its tail. The colorful and chatty parrot, a feathered friend that kids will love to learn about. Hey Pinky, are you ready? Let's now give this parrot some color. Would you please give a red color? Very interesting. How about pour some brown color? Wonderful! Would you like to add some yellow color? Well done! How about a blue color? Much better! Thank you for your help, Pinky. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.